Xiaomi just revealed the interior of a car that claims the longest pure electric range of any extended range vehicle in the world. And this isn't even Xiaomi's flagship SUV. This is the smaller one. Let's break down the Skynomad N70 Max and why this specific model matters more than its size might suggest. Xiaomi unveiled the interior today, following up on the pre-sale price CEO Lei Jun announced last month, 259,900 yuan, about $38,200 US. Xiaomi is positioning this as an intelligent, variable large space SUV, and that variable part is doing real work here. On dimensions, the N70 Max measures 4,960 millimeters long, 1,998 millimeters wide, 1,765 millimeters tall, on a 2,950 millimeter wheelbase. Here's the actual standout feature. The second row can physically slide rearward, creating a maximum passenger space of 1,110 millimeters. Genuinely limousine-level legroom when you want it. And when you don't need that space for passengers, maximum expandable cargo capacity reaches 2,425 liters. Under the hood, it's a dual-motor, four-wheel drive setup, delivering a peak output of 310 kilowatts, 416 horsepower, with a top speed of 190 kilometers per hour. Now, the number that's actually the headline here. The N70 Max runs a 76 kilowatt-hour NMC battery, delivering a CLTC pure electric range of 505 kilometers. Xiaomi states that's the longest pure electric range of any extended range vehicle in the world right now. Combined with the range extender, total CLTC range reaches 1,461 kilometers, with fuel consumption of 6.1 liters per 100 kilometers once the battery runs low. On the chassis, you're getting front double wishbone and rear multi-link independent suspension, paired with air springs and continuously variable damping shocks. Genuinely serious hardware for ride comfort. Safety is a real focus here too. 9 standard airbags, an embedded roll cage, an integrated hot-form door ring, and what Xiaomi calls an armour cage body, built with 14 points of 2,200 megapascal high-strength steel. Even the door handles get a triple redundancy design, meaning multiple backup mechanisms in case the primary one fails. On the technology side, the N70 Max runs a 4nm main chip, paired with a separate 4nm autonomous driving chip delivering 700 TOPS of computing power. Standard hardware includes a forward-facing LiDAR sensor, 4D millimeter wave radar, and Xiaomi's own HAD driver assistance system. Now, here's the context that actually explains why Xiaomi is pushing this vehicle so hard. According to Xiaomi's second quarter 2026 financial report, released just yesterday, the company delivered 80,856 vehicles in the first quarter and 104,199 in the second quarter. Xiaomi has set a target of 550,000 vehicle deliveries for all of 2026. Before the Skynomad lineup, Xiaomi only had 2 models on sale, the SU7 sedan and the U7 SUV. During the earnings call, Xiaomi Group's president, Lu Weibing, said that since pre-sales opened for both Skynomad models, the number of refundable orders has actually exceeded the company's own expectations and described market response as genuinely enthusiastic. So here's the actual takeaway. Xiaomi isn't just adding another model to pad out its lineup. It's using the Skynomad N70 Max specifically to claim a genuine world record on electric range, while backing that up with real structural safety engineering and serious computing hardware, all positioned to help Xiaomi hit a delivery target that's going to require a lot more than just 2 sedan and SUV nameplates to reach. Do you think a claimed world record range is the kind of headline that actually drives real sales volume? Or is it more of a marketing number that buyers care less about than price and practicality? Let me know what you think in the comments.